Let's talk about the great British tradition of queuing. Yes, you read that right, queuing, the art of waiting in line, is a fascinating aspect of UK culture that is often overlooked. Despite its mundane nature, queuing plays a significant role in shaping the social fabric of the country, and understanding it can give outsiders a unique insight into British culture. Queuing is an essential part of everyday life in the UK. Brits are known for their love of queues, and queuing is a way of life that is deeply ingrained in the country's psyche. Whether it's waiting in line at the supermarket or standing in line for hours to get into a popular attraction, Brits are experts at queuing. They take it very seriously and expect others to do the same. In fact, the British have developed an unwritten code of conduct when it comes to queuing. Cutting in line is a social taboo, and those who dare to break the queue are likely to be met with a stern telling off or a cold stare from their fellow queuers. The queue is seen as a democratic system where everyone has an equal chance to get what they want, regardless of their status or social class. Queuing etiquette in the UK is so important that it even made its way into the national curriculum. In 2016, the Department of Education included queuing in its list of fundamental British values that should be taught in schools. The official guidance states that an understanding of how to queue and take turns is essential for effective participation in a modern democracy. But queuing is not just about following rules and waiting patiently. It also has a social aspect. Queuing can be a way of making new friends or striking up a conversation with a stranger. People in the queue will often chat with each other, share stories, or even offer to hold someone's place if they need to step away for a moment. Queuing also brings out the best in people. In times of crisis or emergency, Brits have shown remarkable resilience and solidarity by queuing up patiently to receive aid or assistance. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, people queued for hours to get tested, vaccinated, or to buy essential goods like toilet paper and food. They did so without complaining, knowing that queuing was necessary to prevent the spread of the virus. Queuing has also inspired some quirky traditions in the UK. One such tradition is the annual queue for the Wimbledon tennis tournament. Fans queue for days, even weeks, to get a chance to watch the matches in person. The queue is so popular that it has become a social event in itself, with people bringing tents, chairs, and even barbecues to make the wait more enjoyable. Another famous queue is the one outside the Harry Potter studio tour in London. Fans of the Wizarding World can wait for hours to get a glimpse of the movie props and sets. But the wait is worth it, as they get to immerse themselves in the magical world of Hogwarts and take pictures with their favorite characters. In conclusion, queuing may seem like a mundane aspect of everyday life, but it is a quintessential part of UK culture that deserves recognition. The art of waiting in line has shaped the British identity and has become a symbol of social order, solidarity, and democracy. So, next time you visit the UK, embrace the queuing culture, and you may just discover a new way of connecting with the people around you.